Come with me to ride the Staten Island Ferry. We're here at the terminal down in the financial district. Just so you know, they do have a elevator that goes upstairs. That's where you take the ferry from. And they also have an escalator. All right, come with us. All right, so when you come upstairs, this is where you get the ferry, and it's completely free. They have little places to get drinks and snacks. Off we go. So once someone in a wheelchair takes it up here, they just take the ramp to get on the ferry. Okay, so the ferry, we're in the downstairs part, and it runs every 30 minutes. I can't remember if I told you guys that or not. So look, here's the view. You can see the Statue of Liberty out there. Plenty of room. There's also bathrooms on board.
There are life jacket storage areas as well as dining instructions plainly posted and located throughout the ferry in case use is required. In case of emergency, you will receive instructions over the public address system.
Also, the bathrooms are handicap accessible. About 30 minutes. It felt only about like 15 or 20. Pretty amazing, actually. Okay, so once you get to the other side, you come in the ferry terminal. You can take the elevator or the escalator up. So cool. So if you want to take the ferry over, you could come sit outside here. Enjoy the views. Whoa, so I just found out there are these Empire State outlets here when you get off the ferry. Let's go see what stores are there. So here's where the Staten Island Yankees play. This is their ballpark, so it's literally right when you get off the ferry. It's their stadium. So the reason why we wanted to take the ferry to Staten Island is because we wanted to visit Nonnas, which is based on the movie with Vince Vaughn and Susan Sarandon, and it's based on the true story of the restaurant called Enoteca Maria, located here next door to the St. George Theater. So it is cash only, and it is about a 10-minute walk from the ferry. Okay, so Nonnas of the World, formerly known as Enoteca Maria, is actually a nonprofit now, and they work with schools, and they have a Nonnas in Training program to combat senior isolation. So grandmas are celebrated. Grandmas come and help teach young chefs and share their cultural experiences, and it's an intergenerational program. So it's really exciting, and we're excited about this whole concept. You can learn more at nonnasoftheworldcommunity.com. So it looks like to me that the grandma that's cooking that day, I just saw her taking pictures with someone, and then they just brought the food out, and so she comes and talks with people, which is great for senior isolation. Oh, I'm getting so excited about this. Okay, so we are joined with the lovely Shireen, who is our, I guess we call you a hostess today.
Yes.
Tell us about how you got involved with Nonna.
Sure, I would love to. I came here to eat as a guest here 2.5 years ago, and I was just sitting right table next to you. And then Joe and the manager, they came and they asked my daughter where I'm from, and then they asked my daughter if I know how to cook. She said, yeah, so they asked me if I would be interested, and there's no hard pressure. I can do only once a year or once in the 6 months, once in the 3 months. So I said, all right, I'll give it a try. And it's been a very fun experience. The people are here so wonderful, and I get to meet people from all over the world.
And you live where?
I live in Manhattan, and I take the ferry.
Yes. And you said you work about 3 or 4 times a year, right?
Yes.
That is wonderful. We love it. Thank you so much for spending time to talk to us.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So here we ordered the lasagna. We're going to share a salad. They wanted bread. We have this delicious lemon soda. Wow. So here's the Staten Island side of the ferry terminal. Accessible bathrooms right in the terminal on the Staten Island side. Alright, back we go to the mainland. Quite the crowd. So cool, I just found out there's a Dunkin' actually on the ferry.